1974 Ford Bronco, 4BT Cummins diesel swap, 5-speed manual. All right, now we're getting underneath it. Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I got this brand new addiction for you. This is a 1974 Ford Bronco. It's got the 4BT Cummins diesel in it. It's got the 5-speed. The underneath is all in great shape. 4-wheel drive works. It's got new rims, new tires. It's in red and white. The interior's in great shape. There's a few things that you could do here and there, but hey, thing is ready to go, and it's got a Cummins in it. This thing is just awesome. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. 1974 Ford Bronco, 4BT Cummins diesel swap, 5-speed manual, red with the white top. This thing is just awesome. It really is. I mean, all the alignment on it is really good shape. It's got the skinny wheels, upgraded headlights. Whereas the paint is in really good shape. Windshield's in good shape. Top's in good shape. See all throughout. Got your 75 from that glass. Then here, see, that's newer too. Now, this one does have a crack here. Don't know exactly how it got there, but it does have that. It does have new seals all the way around. But this thing is just awesome. If you're looking for a Bronco, hey, this is it. You're actually different than a lot of the other ones out there. It's got new XD rims, and then you do have the new Toyo tires. That's a 295 70/17. Which is equivalent to about a 35. You got your Cummins diesel. Look at that. You can see the panels are all in really good shape. All natural tires all the way throughout. Those are brand new as well. New rims. Got a 3-inch lift on it. Yeah, get some of that diesel smoke for you. But look, I mean, the rims and tires are all brand new. No curb rash. Toyo tires. Those are those from countries. Got your step wheels. And you'll see, paint is in really good shape. Got all the rims again. All the rims and tires all in great shape. Here on the front, got your step bumper. Built wrench. Now let's show you the good swap. Oh, it's a nice heavy hood. Oh yeah. You got your power brakes, Ford BT, got your aluminum radiator upgrade. You also do have your catch can there in the back. It just runs out really well. Got your little turbo on there. Turbo diesel. That's what I'm talking about. Now getting into the interior. Got some metal trim here. Windows, they're a little stiff. They're not like crazy. They go down really well. It's a little stiff at the bottom, but other than that, I mean, it's actually really good. Gauges, so it's your 5-speed. See here, then, I mean, seats are in really good shape. And then there in the back, It's in good shape. Got a little bit of padding there on the side, but hey, look at this. All in really, really good shape. And you gotta slam it like a man, or a really strong woman. That locks just like it should. See here. Try to get this with one hand. Look at that. I mean, this is all in really, really good shape. And if you've been watching what the Broncos are bringing, you know it's crazy. And we're not asking a crazy price on this one, especially for what it is. I mean, this thing is ready to go. Front disc brakes. It's got the Cummins-Swapped. New rims, new tires. Hey, that latches just like it should. Does not have the spare tire. That closes like it should there. I mean, that's in great shape. It's just overall really, really good shape. And then here, I mean, even just on the doors. Check this window here. This one goes up and down really nice. Again, new carpet, seats aren't ripped, other than you have some of the padding there on the back is ripped just a little bit. You got a little rip here in the dash, but nothing crazy whatsoever with that. It's got all the good stuff, it really does. I just like it's got, it's a little bit harder to get into with one hand, but let's see if, there we go. Got your bin, got all your good stuff in here. Hey, I mean, just to show, it's actually in really, really good shape. The winch does work. Let me just go ahead and show you that real quick. That works just like it should. Not all rusted up and corroded. Everything is so much tougher with one hand. There we go. There we go. I mean, it shuts well. Sounds great. Now you guys will be able to see the drive. Diesel. Emergency brake works, four-wheel drive works. We don't have really a lot of good spots to be able to test out the four-wheel drive. Obviously, I'm not going to do it on the pavement. But I mean, hey, this thing is just awesome. Everybody knows that I'm a huge Chevy guy, but this is just, I love it. And I think a big part of it is because it's got the diesel. I mean, a Ford with the Cummins diesel, hey, runs out great. You see a lot of the super high-end Broncos bringing crazy stupid money. I mean, $250,000. Oh, hey, I would rather have this. Now let me know what you guys think, because I love it. Drives out great. Yeah. Like, hear that turbo? Yeah. Now Now it's got a little bit of play in the gearbox, just a little bit, not a lot, but it does have a little bit. So I'm sure at higher cruising speeds, you're going to be in there, you know, just a little bit. Got a little bit in there, but again, hey, if you can't handle that, then you can't handle this. That is for sure. And everybody knows that if you drove an old vehicle that's got a little bit of play on the highway at 65, 70 miles an hour, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a little sketchy sometimes, but this does drive really well. And again, it's got the bigger tires, so it's going to take more movement to get those really moving. Yeah, this thing runs so good. Remember, we have over 300 photos. We have nationwide transport. We have online financing. Everything, ClassicCarAddict.com. Now just to go over a few of the other things. So let's see. I know all of the lights work. Let's actually, we'll get in here and we will go through the lights. And let's see if we got, hey, we got heat. We got both fan speeds. Okay, I like that. I don't know if you can hear it, but we got wipers. Hey, I like that. Now the only thing that we don't really have is a horn, and I think that is obviously going to be because it's not fully hooked up here, and it seems like the turn signal switch itself is not deactivating. But I mean, temperature's staying good, oil pressure is good, alternator's good. Now it shows that we're almost on E, so I don't know if the gas gauge is fully functioning or not. There we go. It's got integral wipers as well, so that's actually really awesome to see. But let's show you some of this before we get into the undercarriage. So, all of that. And then let's get the lights on. Get the indicator lights working. Got the lights, turn signals. Got the running lights right there. And turn signal. Now let's get over here on this side. Turn signal. And the running light. And turn signal. Hey, everything's working just the way it should. Let's show you the undercarriage. All right, now we're getting underneath it. This I just love. You can tell from the test drive and just the sound, having the Bronco with the diesel in it, it is the way to go. If you were looking for a 1974 Ford Bronco, this one is definitely for you. It's got all of the good stuff on it. Your Ford BT, it's got Dana 50s, it's got upgraded front disc brakes, 3-inch lift, it's got the catch can for your diesel so you don't have all the blow-by with it. This thing is set up and ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com.